Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time visiting the channel, I'd appreciate it if you gave a thumbs up and a like and a share. I guess it really helps out to get more of you to see my content. This is my New Holland C185 skid steer. It's a 2008 and a half. 2008 and a half was the first one to have these lights up and down. This particular model also has a 4-cylinder Iveco in it. The older ones had a 3-cylinder. But this is what I'm here to show you. This is my Allied snowblower that I converted from PTO drive to hydraulic for the skid steer. In the last video I had up, I added this hydraulic motor over here in an attempt to gain a little bit more power and torque over running everything off the one. That one puts out about 750 RPMs, no load, and 2,500 inch-pounds of torque. This one over here, no load, is 385 RPMs with 4,500 inch-pounds of torque. Both of them are figured at 20 gallons per minute, which is about what this machine does. And the way I see it is, I was running everything off the one. It worked, but it could use some more torque. And from a couple of the other things I have looked at and worked on and used, they have a motor configuration in series, and it seems to work pretty good. So I still haven't done a chute turn yet. I do have a valve block off of a snowblower, but I'm kind of leaning towards possibly linear actuator, because it doesn't seem to take a whole lot to turn this thing. For now, I just move the spout when I need to, hop out and move it. But I will be putting something on there to turn it sooner or later. This is a single beater auger design, 3 blades on the fan. I haven't measured the diameter of either of those, so can't tell you for sure. If you want to look up specs on the internet, this is a manufactured by Allied Farm Equipment. It looks like it's a model 85 SB96. Well, it isn't as big as the pile I had last time, but I do have another pile here that I can blow away, and I have some more spots that I can blow. So let's give this thing a try. Right now is that it warmed up for a few days and cooled back down, so I can't get any traction on this pile. another pile. Here's a little bit of snow. guys my opinion on the twin motor situation. I think it does have just a little bit more power, a little more torque than it did before with the one motor, but it's only going to be so good on this machine, I think, because of the not real high gallons per minute. So this thing's about 20 gallons a minute, and as big as this blower is, you probably can't expect too much more performance than this. The only thing I can think of to improve on this much more is by covering the fan some. I'm pretty sure I've seen somewhere they got about a third of the fan covered with sheet metal, so it doesn't feed quite so much in to keep that spun up. Might be something I look into in the future, but for now, I'd appreciate it if you guys liked and shared this video. Subscribe to my channel, it helps out. And thanks for watching. God bless and take care, guys. It's hard to really describe how it's working here. That's probably 50 feet it's throwing it, and I'm taking a full pass, like, of hard packed snow plowed snow. I think it's working better. Still could be better yet, but I think it's working better.